Hi everybody. This week we were working hard to make this unique professional color grading for you. Repeat after me or just download the preset for Lightroom and enjoy those amazing colors you got. You can get one version of this preset absolutely for free. Just watch this video and find the password which appears twice on the right top corner, like you can see it now. If you got any problems about that, please look at the instruction below the video. Also, we made the same color correction for video. So now you can have your photo and video content in one style. Which is awesome, isn't it? You are able to use this loot in any video editor you got. Premiere Pro, After Effects, DaVinci Resolve, Final Cut and even VN Editor for mobile phones. You can find the link to the video loot down below in the description. Guys, if you need the preset right now, if you have no time to watch this video and repeat after me or look for a password to download it for free, you can just go to our website presetstore.com and find your favorite color correction there. It's not for free but it's worth that. Every presets contains from 3 to 6 versions for PC and mobile platforms of Lightroom. Check it out guys. Okay, when I said everything what I wanted to say, we can start working on this preset.
We'll be driving down the state, yeah. Looking around for the next crowd, yeah. Going our own way. Trying to find a new route, yeah. We'll be going in circles. Trying to find a way. Searching for the things we do, yeah. Drop top without a choice, yeah. Hair blown round to the window, singing stupid noise with you. I just wanna get to know ya. I wanna go far to the coast, yeah. I wanna drive fast to the ocean. I wanna know all of you.
Guys, press thumb up button if you wanna get the same video LUT in cube format for free.
Yeah, I'm feeling a little crazy. Sat at home being lazy. Wanna travel till I'm 80, flying with you. Wanna take on the world and do something. Would you by my side like it's nothing? Wanna buy you things that you wanted. Wanna find you, drop top without a choice, yeah. Hair blow round to the window, singing stupid noise with you. I just wanna get to know ya. I wanna go far to the coast, yeah. I wanna dive fast to the ocean. I wanna know all of you. Growing old like a ghost, yeah. I wanna have kids of my own, yeah. And live a life till it's over. But until we do, it's sleeping too long. So no. It's sleeping so long. It's sleeping so long. We'll be driving down the state, yeah. Looking around for the next crowd, yeah. Going our own way. Trying to find a new route, yeah. We'll be going in circles. Trying to find a way. Searching for the things we do, yeah. Drop top without a choice, yeah. Hair blown round to the window, singing stupid noise with you. I just wanna get to know ya. I wanna go far to the coast, yeah. I wanna drive fast to the ocean. I wanna know all of you. Growing old like a ghost, yeah. I wanna have kids of my own, yeah. Live a life till it's over. But until we do, it's sleeping too long. I'm feeling a little crazy. Sat at home being lazy. Wanna travel till I'm 80, flying with you. Wanna take on the world and do something. Would you by my side like it's nothing? Wanna buy you things that you wanted. Wanna find you drop top without a choice, yeah. Hair blow around to the window, singing stupid noise with you. I just wanna get to know ya. I wanna go far to the coast, yeah. I wanna dive first to the ocean. I wanna know all of you. Growing up like a ghost, yeah. I wanna have kids of my own, yeah. And live a life till it's over. But until we do, it's sleeping too long. So no, it's sleeping so no. It's sleeping so no. We'll be driving down the state, yeah. Looking around for the next crowd, yeah. Going our own way, trying to find a new route, yeah. We'll be going in circles, trying to find a way, searching for the things we do, yeah. Drop top without a choice, yeah. Hair blown around to the window, singing stupid noise with you. I just wanna get to know ya. I wanna go far to the coast, yeah. I wanna drive fast to the ocean. I wanna know all of you. Growing old like a ghost, yeah. I wanna have kids of my own, yeah. Live a life till it's over. But until we do, it's sleeping too long. Yeah, I'm feeling a little crazy. Sat at home being lazy. Wanna travel till I'm 80, flying with you. Wanna take on the world and do something. Would you by my side like it's nothing? Wanna buy you things that you wanted. Wanna find you drop top without a choice, yeah. Hair blow around to the window, singing stupid noise with you.
Give the video like, and when it gets 300 likes we'll let you download the same video LUT for free. Congratulations guys, we made it. Enjoy your new preset. Guys, I just want to remind you. You can download this preset for free, and also you can buy it. In that case you'll get more versions of this color grading in all formats for mobile and desktop versions of Lightroom. And also you can buy the same LUTs for you video content. Guys, do not forget support our work. Subscribe to our social networks, become our patrons, leave your reviews. It very helps and motivates us to make more and better content. All links you'll find in description down below the video. Thank you that you watched this video till the end. Have a great day, and see you next time.